Hello and buongiorno. This is Sarah from Headout, and in this video we'll be breaking down how to visit one of Rome's oldest and greatest gems, the Pantheon. We're going to be running through all of your ticket options, the best time to visit, and a few top tips for hidden gems to check out nearby. So hang on till the end of the video and find out where they are. Let's go. If you're planning on being anywhere in the historic centre of Rome, which, let's face it, you probably will be, then this 2,000-year-old temple is a must visit. It's incredibly iconic and it features some of the most amazing, stunning architecture and art produced by the ancient Romans. Located in Piazza della Rotonda, the Pantheon is a 10-minute walk away from more popular attractions like the Trevi Fountain and the Spanish Steps, so getting there is pretty easy. Until July 2023, the Pantheon was free to enter, but currently it's transferred over to a ticketed site. Once you get there, you'll see three main queues. The one on the far left is for purchasing tickets with cash. The one on the far right is for purchasing tickets with cards. And finally, the queue in the centre is for those lucky folks who were smart enough to book their tickets in advance. Now, the thing to keep in mind here is that on-site ticketing queues could take up to 1 hour, especially in high season, which may not seem like much of a wait, but bear in mind that after midday there's very little shade in this piazza, so you could find yourself waiting in these lines under the hot sun. Be smart about it, beat the queues and get your tickets online. Let's look into your ticket options for how to experience the fabulous and iconic Pantheon. First off, you'll have skip the line tickets with an audio guide. These tickets are great if you're looking to simply skip the line, save on time, get in and out of the Pantheon, and have a preference for DIY travel. We recommend you spend about half an hour inside, which is plenty of time to tune into your audio guide, which is available in 8 different languages, and explore the different parts of the structure. Up next, you have the Skip the Line guided tour. This is the best way to discover the history of the Pantheon in depth. These tickets will get you skip the line entry, and the tour is about an hour long. You'll be part of a small group of up to 10 people, which means that you'll have the personalised attention from your local expert, who'll charm you with fascinating stories about the structure. The tour will have either an English, a Spanish, or French or Italian speaking guide, depending on which language you feel most comfortable with. Alright, so here's a quick tip. Make sure you reach your meeting point a few minutes in advance. When you book your tickets online, the meeting point for ticket redemptions are a couple minutes away from the Pantheon. This is simply because the Pantheon is in a very busy piazza, and so you're not necessarily able to coordinate a lot of tickets in that same square. So get there early, grab your tickets, head off to the Pantheon in time for your visit. Now, if you're not necessarily fussed about entering the Pantheon, but you want to check it out, learn a bit more about its history, and see the areas nearby and understand it within the context of ancient Rome, a walking tour of Rome's historical centre is the perfect option for you. This tour is perfect for first-time visitors. You'll have a local guide who will take you to all of the iconic spots, including Trevi Fountain, the Spanish Steps, the Pantheon, and break down the history of each attraction. You'll find links to all 3 of these options below, so check them out if you're interested. The best time to take a walking tour, in my opinion at least, is in the evening, when the weather's a little bit cooler and it's easier to walk from one spot to another. Now, speaking of the best times to visit, the Pantheon's open from 9 AM until 7 PM every day. But the best time to see the Pantheon, if you're interested in going inside, would be in the afternoon. It's nice, it's cool around the area, and coming here at this time you'll find you won't just escape the heat, but you'll probably also escape some of those crowds. Now, let's talk about hidden gems near the Pantheon. Be prepared to be blown away. As we discussed earlier, depending on the ticket you choose, you'll be spending anywhere between 30 minutes to an hour when you do this visit. Once you're done, we highly recommend staying in the same area for a while to explore some of the lesser-known gems in Rome. First up on our list is Basilica di Santa Maria sopra Minerva, located just a block away from the Pantheon. This mini museum is a storehouse of artistic treasures. The second place to check out is the Elephant and the Obelisk. This fabulous creation was sculpted by the incredible and infamous to Rome, Gian Lorenzo Bernini. The third place is the Church of San Ignatius. When here, be sure to look out for the fake dome, which is an incredible optical illusion created by the artist Andrea Pozzo. Top tip, if you're in the area, grab a coffee at San Estaccio Cafe nearby.
Definitely recommend making a pit stop at this little cafe. It's called San Eustachio, probably one of the best coffee shops in Rome.
And there we go. Now you're all set to experience the Pantheon in Rome. Book your tickets now and get ready to plan your epic summer vacation. Check out the description and book your tickets now. Have a fantastic trip, and we'll see you soon. Ciao!